Hello friends, here in the Children's Hospital, Vadodra, which is getting constructed right now. And the main doctor is here. He is Dr. Agrawal. And we have with us Mr.Dharmendra Joshi. He is our soft skill trainer. So, big hospital is coming up in a nice way. So, how did you think about HR right now? HR training and soft skill training?
I believe HR is an integral part of running. Hospital is more of an anatomy, it's a structure, but what works in a hospital is not the structure, it's the functionality. And functionality is handled by the people who work in it. So we have always given importance to the soft skill part, the mannerisms, the way the patient is handled. For me, branding is not about advertising or creating a hype about my setup. It is, for me, branding is an internal branding. What a patient experiences after coming inside the setup is what branding needs to be. And for that, HR and soft skill is one of the most important part. I contacted Pranav sir basically through doctorpreneuracademy because I am a board member of it. And sir immediately responded, he will be visiting. I was really pleased to have him personally visiting my hospital, which is a dream for many of us. And he's helping me out for handling the HR part as well as the soft skill management of the reception and the nurses and the medical staff. And I think it's a very, very important part, and everybody, we all doctors should take this part very seriously, because that is what matters to the patient, not that he got treated, but how he got treated is what matters, which is remembered for a long time.
Thank you and congratulations for opening the hospital.
All the best.
You want to say something? Yeah.
I think he nailed it. I mean, I have experienced a lot of trainings in different hospitals, and I believe it is the security guys and the receptionists who actually first interact with the patients and they build up an image of the hospital. It is not the doctors, because you meet the doctors on a later stage, but actually you meet your receptionist or the security guys in the first stage, and that actually builds up the image of the hospital, which you rightly said. The other thing I believe is, the promoters always have a vision, and that vision has to manifest, it has to percolate down to the lowest bottom strata of the workers. And everyone works in harmony, only then the hospital will grow, otherwise it will not.
And that's come from the top management. Absolutely. The top management is not sensitive about soft skills. They don't understand. They just treat a big hospital. Ultimately, the patient ends up realizing, okay, it's a big hospital. Experience was
Absolutely.